Walking past the old bakery, morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I carry there. It's the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but can't help me through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. The flower shop where you'd always pause still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. But now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story lost, while seasons change and pathways cross, they grow stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, ghosts I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by. Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every day, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we never sour. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, we'll never sour. In the quiet, we're never sour.
Morning light spills soft across the floor. Coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of ride. Love what you have. Where you stand, not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing. I try to measure every sound, trace every step, keep it all pinned down. But freedom lives where I let go, in all the places I don't control. There's a tremble I can't contain, a fragile kind of untamed. And even if it shakes my voice, it's still a louder kind of choice. Now every echo is turning true. I hear a version of something new. I wanna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning, no perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling, just air in my lungs. Wide open feeling, let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing.